for new normal, एक समृद्ध भारत. It is the need of hour. Most of our youngsters, those are just going to passed out in this year, though already have passed out last year, and many those are in the queue to be coming out from their academia world to this outer world. They may be little worried. They may be worried due to this COVID situation. They may be worried due to the lifestyles of the people are going to be get changed. The marketing scenario, manufacturing scenario, all these things are going to be in a new shape. So I just wants to be add on over here. Occupational deficiencies, definitions and requirements are fluid and change over time. एक ही चीज स्थिर है, अस्थिरता. बदलाव ही जीवन का सबसे बड़ा अंग है. तो ये पहली बार नहीं हो रहा है, ये आखिरी बार भी नहीं हो रहा है. हमें इसके साथ चलना है, हमें चलना सीखना है. How we can start our journey. So I just wants to be put on this first slide of my presentation to just give you one pinch of that. We all, including me, many of my friends, those are watching me, listening me, they may agree and appreciate that we are going to be connected this outer world through our internet mode, digital mode. Somehow we are having so many social media accounts. We are having so many apps downloaded on our cell phones. We are watching movies. We are doing Twitter, lot many things. You see the data is just in front of you and it's just a 1 minute we are doing so many activities. But these activities are going to help you to be enhancing your skills somewhat. Yes, of course, your surfing skill, navigation skills, sometimes your critical thinking part, because watching good movies, watching good stuff, it is going to be improved. You are going for TikTok, you are going for other things. But still, I think many more things has to be add on with this, just ice on a make on this. So the get ready for a new avatar. So I just wants to be add over here. Roles are getting rapidly disrupted, including a data entry clerk, the cashier, the financial analyst, telemarketer, customer service executive, manual work operator. These are going to be get changed. You know, the earlier it was the scenario. We used to bring so many things at home, then cooking in other way. याद होगा कि छोटे होते दादी जी छत पर बढ़िया सुखाती थी, पापड़ बना के सुखाती थी. कुछ इस तरह से हम घर में कार्य करते थे, कपड़े धोते थे तो उसके बाद फिर एक दूसरी बकेट में नील डालते थे और कपड़ों को नील लगाते थे. Today we are not talking about this kind of things. There is a one washing machine called automatic washing machine. We are just putting the clothes and morning we are getting the dry clothes or maybe sometimes iron clothes with this kind of automation. Many things like your logistics help etc. ऐसा कुछ होने जा रहा है. ऐसा क्यों होने जा रहा है? उसका कारण है. उसका कारण ये है. The work we people started, say early 2000 or maybe early 90s. It was 9 to 5 job, you know, and we have to be work in a corporate office. We go over office. There is a one special chair, a table for me, my computer, sometimes my Almira. Then I'll say I'm just focused on my this particular job scenario for which I'm going to be assigned this job. Maybe I'm a clerk, I'm a cashier, I'm accountant, I'm manager, I'm a deputy manager. तो उतना ही काम करूंगा जितना मेरे समय सीमा में और मेरे क्षेत्र में आता है. Predefined work. So codes informations, voice नहीं है. क्लर्क को ये कहने की, क्लर्क को तो मैनेजर के कमरे में जाने की अनुमति भी नहीं है. Relies on emails and you know other kind of stuffs. अब क्या है? अब कहां पर हैं? पिछले 2 महीने से कैसे काम चल रहा था और अभी भी काम कैसे चल रहा है? It's work anytime. Today, sitting at home, I am conducting my session. So work anywhere. I am connected with the whole world by sitting at home through this internet, using any device. Some of you must be using mobile phones, some must be using your laptops or desktops, and you are listening me, watching me, and doing other kind of things also parallelly. Yes, of course, because you are focused on your output. You want to take up this session to get something, create your own ladder. So today a single window clearance system. So one executive is going to be there in the office who is not expecting that he have one steno, one PA, one clerk, of course one helper to serve him a cup of tea. because he can go to the vending machine, he will take his cup of tea. When the cup in the hand, he is going to the desktop and he's doing his job. So it is a single window system, so can become a ladder yourself. So you will be executive and even the CEO level is executive only. So this is nothing but the change of mindset is equally significant with the change of technology. When the change of technology takes place and we people, if not changing ourselves, so this is the one of the challenge. Jobs are not challenge. Dear friends, dear students, those are listening me, I tell you that jobs are even rather adding and adding. You must be wondering, but I will prove it. What is the challenge? World is looking for the digital leaders. And what I am just going to say over here, it is a big statement. Leaders of today is expert of yesterday, not for tomorrow. 40 years of expertise in any field will never be ability, but it is going to be a liability. I'll ask a simple question. Ask any bank manager who's working as a bank manager from last 20 years or more than that. When this banking system was complete CBS system, that manager was scared enough to touch the keypad of the computers because he was very much comfortable with the ledgers, with the huge ledgers. What he said, dear young PO, I'll give you password. You use my computer, you issue the FDs, you issue the drafts, you issue the checkbooks, and at evening make sure that my password is safe and sound and lock the system. So he's 40 years of experience in the accountancy in a banking system, although he's an experienced guy. He knows the things, but when the technology comes in between, I think it becomes a big barrier. So these guys took a VRS, you know, early 2000, 2003, if you will check from the data from the different nationalized banks, the mass VRS, volunteer retirement schemes has happened. Why it has happened? Because that new technology came up and they were just thinking they are going to be the liability to the system. So we have to travel along with the time and technology. If you will not travel with the time and technology pace, I think then you can say, sir, I'm unemployed, I have no job, because sitting at home for 6 months doing nothing, being an ideal, I think it is one of the biggest problem after doing 4 years of technology in institutions. Yes, automation cannot be a challenge for the jobs, rather it is going to be enhance the jobs. It is the data has been captured and I just wanted to be show over here. The 49% of the companies have implemented AI solutions. Oh, it means the artificial intelligence is taking a big shape, you know, everywhere. And now I'll tell you one more thing. Most of my youngsters, my young aspiring minds, what they think, sir, I have done BCom. Sir, I have done BBA. OK, some they say, sir, I have done BA in philosophy, sir, how I can work with the AI? That is the mindset. I'll tell you, AI is a tool which can be learned by any person who have done up to metric mathematics or even up to +2 level of science or even a humanities. +2 level person with any kind of qualification, not only the pre-engineering or pre-medical, even a law graduates or anybody, they can take this kind of skills enhancement through online, through lot many other channels. So blockchain, AI, these are not the cake of only with the graduates of computer science and engineering. No doubt they can do miracles because they have different other languages, they have different other softwares that computing and cloud computing, etc. they can do. But if you think that AI is the only property can be handled by the computer graduates, then I'm sorry, because the sectors getting affected is the IT, financial services, manufacturing, transportation, packaging, shipping. Yes, post-COVID, don't you think that the same way you are going to have the delivery? So we are talking something about the drone delivery system. The 9% of the workforce will be deployed in new jobs, which you never seen till date. You never thought of that jobs. Have you ever thought of that 3 months back that we are going to be having a contactless delivery system in the restaurants? We having a sanitization chambers before the religious places and the malls and others. Do you think that today you will go to the mall after COVID and you will be in a position to keep changing the dress before the dressing room and selecting one and rest you are keeping over there? No, they will not allow you to touch the dresses. They will say go to the screen, select the dress, stand before the screen. They will capture your image and they will show you how you will look like after wearing these shorts. after wearing these t-shirts, etc. But you don't allow to be wear the t-shirts because the dry cleaning, they will not do it again. And once you will put it over there, how come you know that you are not with the virus? So that is the things, it means change is going to be there. 37% will be the deployed in the jobs that have radically changed skill sets, but 54% will fall under the unchanged job categories. It means the change is there, but less than 50% with some new jobs, with some definitions changing. So we should not be worried about this. Rather, we should concentrate on this. Okay, what kind of these new openings are coming on cards? Blockchain developer. Have you ever heard before this? Ask a guy who passed out 2 years back. He doesn't know the definition of blockchain. So today, what kind of blockchain? Okay, what kind of skills you are requiring? Smart contract, so Node.js, Hyperledger, Solidity. What is this? These are the small languages tools, packs, capsule courses can be taken in the form of MOOCs, in the form of blended learning of mode by paying small fee. Doing your graduation, maybe in arts, maybe in a science, maybe in engineering, you can take up this artificial intelligence specialist. You want to become a specialist where you want to learn Python. So who cannot learn Python after metric? Just let me know. Everybody, if you know the English or simple science till metric level, you can learn Python. It is just the next version of C language, and C language is very much available now in the metric level of school. So what is there in Python? It's just one language. So natural language processing we have to do. JavaScript developer. OK, I understand. For the JavaScript, you have to have little more knowledge of the programming, and for which you have to have a BCA or sometimes a BTech computer science or maybe electronics engineering. You can be more comfortable in that. Robotics process automation consultant. So UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism. These all are the skills. And I'll tell you, this period is a golden period when we are at home. From 21st of March, what we could not do till we have done it. Somebody was thinking from last 2 years or maybe 5 years to write a book. He's writing a book. Somebody wanted to publish a paper. He could. Somebody wanted to join the Coursera or maybe edX or maybe SWAM platform to do some skill courses, and they are doing it. And luckily we got a free of cost. So this time the Coursera is giving a free courses. Those are the paid courses last year. So can't we use this opportunity, sitting at home, having our laptop, having our internet, having our electricity and peace mind, because we don't have to go out and nobody's coming unwanted guest to your home also. This is the right time. So backend developers skill needed is the MongoDB, JavaScript and all this. These skills not even a part of your BTech computer science. You open the BTech computer science curriculum by AICTE model curriculum, you will not find these kind of skills. These skills has to be enhanced, inculcated by additionally through some of the online courses or maybe offline courses. A growth manager, business development, team management. You know what is the growth management? Today, have you ever thought in December that the Maruti Udyog and Tata Motors, those are manufacturing cars, automobiles from last 30 years or maybe more than 4 decades. They all sudden are going to switch over to the ventilators production. So this is what, if you are a visionary, you are a good engineer or you're a good manager or strategy head, you should be planned for the future. So today we are talking about the mask productions in India. By January, it was a zero production, and today 3 lakh per day we are just going to be generate the masks, and the different varieties of masks we are going to be generated. It all depends, what kind of the situation is going to become tomorrow. Have you ever thought that all pharmaceutical companies of my country will be get involved some vaccination production? Although there are so many countries are looking our side, because 130 plus countries got benefited the medicines from our India. So the big, huge development in a pharmaceutical department with blockchain with AI, because they want automation. The tablet productions, the capsule productions, the injection production. The production is going to take place in your industry. The pharmaceutical people will be doing the drug discovery. Who will package the drug? Who will supply the drug? Who will make the logistics support? Of course, the other people who have done simple graduation, not even a pharma. Customer success specialization. This specialization is entirely different. Software as a services, PaaS, SaaS, cloud services, team management, customer retention account, etc. We need some managerial skills. These managerial skills are in a different way. The customer success specialist does not require a graduation in a doctoral field, a law field. You may be simple graduate with a Master of Business Administration. So in that way, you can take this kind of jobs. Full stack engineer, it's going to be a big job in coming days. I'll tell you, whatever you talk today is a data, data and only data, whether it's a data mining, whether it's a data analytics, whether it's a data science, or it's a big data or cloud storage sort of things, because every country is now behind data, whether it's a data of the patients, data of the customers, data of the bank credentials, data of your degrees and awards, everything like you have NAD, National Academic Depository. So we are scared about the data. When the data comes, security comes. We have to firewalls. We have the cyber security. We have to have the anti-hacking system. So every institution, every small industry, even they wants to have something data storage. Robotics engineering. Yes, many of the jobs done yesterday by the man would be done by the drones and the robotics. Yes, because of the contamination zone. Today, if I'll ask you people, I'll give you 10,000 rupees. Please deliver this bread to the containment zone. Even wearing a PPE kits, today the doctors are going to be get infected with this, the dirty virus, or dread virus, I should say, COVID. So how anybody will put their life in that danger to be going the containment zone to deliver some parcel? So what we required over there, of course, I'll ask you to become a ward boy. I'll give you 1 lakh rupees. Go in the hospital and serve to the patients. You will say, sir, sorry, it is not my cup of tea, because you know it, how much you are going to protect yourself, but end of the day you are going to be get infected. But then who will work then? Who will deal with that? Today I'm hearing from last 3 days in TV channels what's happening in Delhi and Bombay. What's happening with our own people's bodies, after their demise. Nobody is even handling the bodies. The relatives are not allowed to come before to burn the bodies in the graveyard or other things. We need the robots. Yes, we need the robots. We have to be very practical, and this practicability is going to come through this job scenario. Okay. Cybersecurity, I have discussed. The Python developers are going to take a big job today. Digital marketing. I'll tell you, today nobody is going to buy something from the shop. They are looking through Amazon, through Flipkart, through Snapdeal, and blah, 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 blah. Even everybody is taking admissions in the colleges and schools through their websites, through their inquiry forms, through their Google forms, and all things are happening through webinars. All these kind of things, even the job placements, Skype interviews, Zoom meetings, of course, MS Teams meetings, etc. is taking place. Digital marketing. Who will create a content? The content writing in a book and content publishing in a website is entirely different. And for writing a content, we have to have the digital mindset. It is not that mindset where you are writing some article in the newspaper. Writing in a newspaper and writing in a LinkedIn article is entirely different, because their viewership is different and here viewership is different. वो आर्टिकल न्यूज़पेपर का आपका रिक्शा पुलर भी पढ़ेगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर लिंक्डइन पर लिखा आर्टिकल आपको यूएस यूरोप के 20 साइंटिस्ट पढ़ेंगे, because it's a global connected. So that is the very important job. Front end engineers. Now it is required a front end engineers. The final touch, the final click, the final green signal must be given by someone who is a front end engineer. And of course, lead generation specializations. So this lead generation specialization is purely customer relations. आपको अच्छा लगेगा कि मैंने आपकी साइट से एक चीज खरीदी, उसका बी पार्ट में दूसरी साइट से खरीदने जाऊं. क्या करता है Amazon? जैसे ही मैंने एक चीज को ऑर्डर दिया तो नीचे कहता है कि इसके साथ ये एक्सेसरीज भी मिलती हैं और हम देते हैं. ये छोड़िए, if I'm searching something on Google tomorrow when I open my Facebook, the flash comes. Are you looking for this? It is available on my site. What is that? That is the lead generation. Means we have to make our customer attention on our portal, on our website, on our shop. So that is going to be taken by the new beginners of this world. What I am going to say here, my message is very simple. Hands are same. Don't think we are going to replace your jobs with the robots or anybody. Hands are same, but roles are going to be changed. It is from the hard work to smart work. आज से 20 साल पहले किसी के घर की छत बनती थी तो 20 मजदूर बुलाए जाते थे, वो सिर पे सारा दिन उठाते थे तसला और कहते थे कि शाम को लड्डू दीजिए कि आज हमने इतने 500 तसले का आपका कंक्रीट डाला, आपका आरसीसी, आपका आरबीसी बना. आज क्या होता है? आज एक मशीन आती है, उसमें हम सारा मिक्स करते हैं. तो मशीन को ऑपरेट करने के लिए, मशीन में मटेरियल डालने के लिए, मशीन को मॉनिटर करने के लिए, मशीन की ट्रबल शूटिंग करने के लिए, मशीन बनाने के लिए हैंड्स तो चाहिए ना. तो हमने क्या किया है, हार्ड वर्क से स्मार्ट वर्क में कन्वर्ट किया है। CNCs लेके आए हैं, CNCs को बनाना भी होगा, ट्रबल शूट भी करना होगा, उसमें इनोवेशंस भी लानी होगी। उतने ही हाथ लगेंगे, उतने ही दिमाग लगेंगे, लेकिन स्किल्स वाले लगेंगे। अब सिर्फ मजदूरी से काम नहीं चलेगा, मजदूरी भी स्किल्स के साथ करनी पड़ेगी। So these are the emerging technologies for the next decade. You know, the blockchain, the cryptocurrency, the robotics, autonomous vehicles, all emerging technologies will become mainstream over the next decade. So you keep in your mind which is your cup of tea and start learning these skills. I'll tell you, it is the journey of 3 months to 6 months only to be inculcate some journey. But only thing is you have to focus in which area you, because my engineers, my, today's learners, what they do, जैसे बीटेक फाइनल सेमेस्टर में आते हैं, पहले तो पहला सेमेस्टर तो उनका पता ही चलता कि हम कहाँ थे, क्योंकि वो एलियंस की तरह बेचारे बिहेव करते हैं। दूसरे साल में उनको पता लगता है कि ग्रेड्स कैसे लेने हैं, टीचर की साइकोलॉजी क्या होती है इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में, और दिस। थर्ड ईयर में उनको थोड़ा सा लगता है यार हम कुछ अपनी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स बढ़ा लें, कुछ इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग करना शुरू कर देते हैं, कुछ थोड़ी बहुत छोटे मोटे कोर्सेज करते हैं। फाइनल ईयर में आते एकदम से उनको लगता है, न्यूज़पेपर उठाते हैं, जो भी लगता है कि ये ग्रेजुएट मांग रहे हैं, इट इज ए मटेरियल कि ग्रेजुएट किस चीज के साथ मांग रहे हैं, वो अपना बायोडाटा कहीं भी फेंकना शुरू कर देते हैं। नो, दिस इज रॉन्ग। आपको फर्स्ट ईयर से सेकंड ईयर से फोकस कर लेना है कि आपको मेंटेनेंस में जाना है, R&D में जाना है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में जाना है, स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी में जाना है, अपने पिताजी के कार्य को आगे लेके जाना है, फॉरेन कंट्री में जाके कुछ नया करना है। जो भी करना है आपको फोकस करना पड़ेगा। If you are not focused, then of course you are unemployed, because learning many skills is not possible for one, but making a mastery in a one skill can be possible for anyone. That I want to be add over here. ट्रैफिक मॉनिटरिंग जॉब्स की मैं बात करूंगा। मैं आज आपको ये बताना चाहूंगा यहाँ पर, the day is not far then you are going to get the equal traffic in a space the traffic we are finding on our roads. Now the human already start traveling towards to Mars, towards to moon. And very soon, I think we are going to be acquire some plots over there, and we are going to be start some, residential things over there. So what we required over there, we need the pilots, we need the drivers, we need the controllers, we need the so many ATCs. So it is in that way, and I'll come to the road. All my runways of the airports by next 3 years or 4 years, they are going to be have their internal, shuttles, driverless shuttles. Of course, I am taking away the driver's job. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा, ड्राइवर्स की जॉब जाएंगी, लेकिन वो ड्राइवर्स को दूसरा काम करना होगा, उन व्हीकल्स को, ट्रैफिक को मैनेज करना होगा कि एक गाड़ी दूसरी गाड़ी के साथ टकराए ना। वहां पे मुझे ड्राइवर स्मार्ट्स चाहिए, जो मेरी ब्लूटूथ टेक्नोलॉजी को समझेंगे, मेरी इंफ्रारेड टेक्नोलॉजी को समझेंगे, मेरी आर्टिफिशियल टेक्नोलॉजी को समझेंगे, और देश में ऐसी गाड़ियां चला पाएंगे, ऐसी बड़ी बड़ी चीजें चला पाएंगे, बुलेट ट्रेन जैसी चीजें चला पाएंगे। ड्राइवर्स वही होंगे जो ड्राइवर की जॉब कर रहे थे, लेकिन स्किल्ड ड्राइवर्स चाहिए। विदेश में तो अभी भी स्किल्ड ड्राइवर्स चाहिए होते हैं। वहां का टेस्ट क्वालिफाई करना और इंडिया का टेस्ट क्वालिफाई करने में जमीन आसमान का फर्क है। यहाँ पर अगर आप 20 साल से भी गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट दैट यू लैंड टू द US एंड यू विल गेट योर ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस इन हैंड। What they want to be play before the simulators, then they will give you the control of the steering for the 40 hours solo, 80 hours with someone assistant. The same kind of skills we want, because without skills what we are basically doing, इतने तो हमारे अभी तक कोविड से नहीं मर रहे जितने हमारे रोड एक्सीडेंट से मरते रहे हैं हिंदुस्तान में। So we all running the roads without skills. So these kind of skills are very much required. Data drivers already have discussed about this, so I'm not wasting a time. Healthcare workers, आज आपको पता है सबसे बड़ी अगर चिंता है हमारे देश में, किसी को कहीं भी कॉल कर लीजिए, कश्मीर टू कन्याकुमारी, what is saying in my district, in my zone, although it's a metro city like Mumbai and Delhi, we do not have beds, we do not have a healthcare system, we do not have the oxygen system. So if anything happened to my house, my family, my elders, my senior citizen, I'm sorry, I think we have to just pray to God. Oh, is it that scenario? Why? Just see, 300 million more people over the age of 65 in 2030. अभी तो बहुत यंग इंडिया है, अभी तो हम बहुत लकी हैं। यंग इंडिया के बावजूद अभी देखिए क्या हो रहा है और क्या होने वाला अगले 2 महीनों में। 2030 में अगर ये कोविड इंडिया में आया होता तो हम अमेरिका को कब से पीछे छोड़ देते कैजुअलिटीज में। अभी तो यंग इंडिया है, वी हैव द इम्यून सिस्टम बिकॉज द यंग पीपल। लेकिन होने क्या वाला है, तो हमें इमीडिएटली सोचना चाहिए कि हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स कितने मल्टीफोल्ड्स बढ़ने चाहिए। एक डॉक्टर कुछ नहीं कर सकता, उसको नीचे नर्स चाहिए। एक डॉक्टर के नीचे 10 नर्स, 10 नर्स के नीचे कम से कम 20 हमें वार्ड बॉयज चाहिए। तो लेकिन स्किल भी तो चाहिए ना। आज क्या हो रहा है, हॉस्पिटल में जाने से डर रहा हूं कि अगर मैं नहीं भी हुआ संक्रमित तो हॉस्पिटल जाके संक्रमित हो जाऊंगा। क्यों? वहां पे जो डील कर रहा है मुझे, सो कॉल्ड माई अटेंडेंट, सो कॉल्ड माई वार्ड बॉय, सो कॉल्ड माई नर्स सिस्टर, आई थिंक दे आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट द SOPs, how to be implemented. This is the lack of skills. Space tech jobs I already have mentioned. So you are traveling to the moon, Mars, Venus, here and there. So we have to, you know, how many satellites we are launching every year. Just ask the ISRO. We are keeping whole world beyond. You know, NASA is also looking our face of ISRO. ISRO is the highest satellite launching, organization in this world. So where they will get these guys, you know? लॉन्चिंग एक सैटेलाइट लॉन्च करने में आपने एक मूवी देखी होगी ना, मिशन मंगल, तो देखा था कितने साइंटिस्ट इन्वॉल्व हो रहे थे, कितने उसके साथ में दूसरे असिस्टेंट्स इन्वॉल्व हो रहे थे, कितनी बड़ी टीम होती है। लेकिन हमारे पास स्पेस टेक की जॉब्स बढ़ाने के लिए हमने IITs बढ़ा दी, NITs बढ़ा दी, ISRO 2 बन पाया इंडिया में अभी तक। Why ISRO is only one in Bangalore? Because we don't find that kind of scientists, that kind of skilled people to make a ISRO 2 of India. If we'll make a ISRO 2, all countries come and buy the satellites from us. They will ask to launch the satellite. अभी सैटेलाइट लॉन्चिंग पैड हमारे पास 3 है, हमारे 6 नहीं हो सकते क्या? अमृतसर से भी सैटेलाइट लॉन्च हो सकती है, जयपुर से भी सैटेलाइट लॉन्च हो सकती है, अहमदाबाद से भी सैटेलाइट लॉन्च हो सकती है। But the thing is, we have to have the skills. So that's what I'm saying. Catch the wave and be tuned with the technologies. Otherwise, you will be late. कुछ नहीं होने वाला. World is not going to stop for you. You have to run along with the world speed. So that is your time, your mind. Both has to be tuned with the present scenario. कहां से लेंगे skills? You see the big basket of all MOOCs platforms. Many more. I could just cover little one. You open your laptop, you go to the Coursera, you go to Moodle, you go to Udemy, you go to Open Learning. You see the content is free of cost. Only the certification is having cost. When you want to get certified skilled person, then you pay and you acquire. And many of the platforms are even free of cost, like a SWAM. Or even IMT is doing good for, you know, the many managerial skills they are giving from IMT. So they have the UK channel also. So you can make use of these kind of organizations in India, and they are giving a very good subsidized courses. You can go to anywhere. It is you to choose your cup of tea out of this. You have to find your place out of this, you know, the platter. You go to any hotel, you sometimes confuse whether you want mushroom or whether you want some potato sort of stuff. You will say, give me veg platter. Oh, okay, sir. In the veg platter, what you will find? You will find all kind of vegetables, all kind of stuff. Whatever you like more, you can. So you here, this is a platter for you. Just go through with this. You want a health technology, you want a collaborative technology, you want a nanotechnology, you want a immersive media, you want a robots, you want automation. You select any one of this area, focus on that and get the skills of that. Although you're doing graduation, you are graduated, no problem. Even you are a postgraduate, even you are a doctorate. But if you don't have the skills, even your doctorate will not help you to get a job. That is very much true. Without skills, if we are giving a degrees to the students, I think we are doing crime for the nation. It is all for my teachers and all my institutions if they are doing like this. The STEM and STEAM, you know, this is not going to be stopped anywhere. By 2039, maths, science, technology, and engineering, 8% leading to approximately 4.5 million new STEM-enabled jobs to be created globally, including engineers, scientists, IT, digital professionals, economists, statisticians, and of course teachers. Teachers की जरूरत कब नहीं थी? आज से 10 साल पहले भी थी, आज उससे ज्यादा है क्योंकि हमें डिजिटल टीचर्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं. वी फाइंड अ टीचर. मैंने क्या बोला स्टार्टिंग में, जो आज अपने आप को लीडर कह रहा है वो कल का लीडर था. उसने 10 किताबें लिखी लेकिन आज उसको मूक्स डेवलप करने नहीं आ रहे हैं. He is not ready to come before the camera to record the video content. Although he's written so many papers and books, he's teaching from last 30 years in the classroom. तो क्या बन गया वो? Liability बन गया. हमें liability नहीं चाहिए, हमें asset बनना है. So we have to bring the skills of communication, critical thinking, visual identity, reasoning. All these kind of things are going to be. First, you just think, आज मेरे देश में एक अच्छा कंटेंट क्रिएटर ही नहीं है. पेपर उठाता हूं तो वही खबर छप के आती है. टीवी का चैनल चेंज करता हूं तो वही भाषा छप के आती है. Where these content creators are there? आपका कंटेंट कौन लिखेगा मेरे भाई? एक ही बार डॉक्टर बी.आर. अम्बेडकर लिख के गए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, आज तक हमारे देश उस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के उस पे काम कर रहा है, सिद्धांतों पे काम कर रहा है. आज किसी कंटेंट में इतना दम ही नहीं है कि जो 2 साल तक भी जिंदा रह सके. You see, the movies which I have seen 20 years back still are evergreen. The today's stuff which I am watching yesterday, I forgot the movie story next day itself. क्यों? डिलीवरी कंटेंट से होती है. अगर कंटेंट नहीं है तो आप हीरो जितना मर्जी बड़ा कुछ करे, अगर उसके पास डायलॉग नहीं होगा ना तो राजकुमार क्यों याद आते हैं, दिलीप कुमार क्यों याद आते हैं? डायलॉग भी तो साथ पे थे ना उनके। आज हमें उस तरह के लिरिक्स नहीं मिलते हैं, गुलजार नहीं मिलते हैं। सो दिस इज अ बिग जॉब, स्टार्ट राइटिंग द कंटेंट्स. नाउ आई जस्ट पुट वन क्वेश्चन टू यू. आर यू लुकिंग फॉर अ जॉब और यू वांट्स टू क्रिएट अ जॉब फॉर अदर्स? हाँ, थोड़ा सा लग रहा होगा कि सर क्या बात कर रहे हैं. यस, कांट यू थिंक अबाउट द एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप? I'll give you some options and I will prove it in my next slides. Self entrepreneurship. क्या कर सकते हैं हम, क्या नहीं कर सकते? आप पहले अपने आप से पूछिए कि in which area I am not fit. Then we will decide क्या कर सकते हैं. Digital entrepreneurship. You ask in your city, small shops, small industries, very small. Ask them, sir, do you have the LinkedIn profile? No. ये क्या होता है बेटा? डू यू हैव सर योर वेबसाइट? अरे वेबसाइट मैंने क्या करनी है भाई, मेरी दुकान है परचून की, लोग आते हैं वो राशन. सर वेबसाइट बनाएंगे, रिव्यूज होंगे, आपको ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी करनी पड़ रही है घर में. जब एक छोटे केमिस्ट शॉप को हमने ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी के लिए अलाउ कर दिया, जब हमारे लीकर शॉप्स को भी कह दिया ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी, तो लीकर शॉप वालों के पास कोई ऐसा कुछ वो बना है क्या, प्रोफाइल बना है क्या? तो डिजिटल में तो इतना कुछ आप कर सकते हैं, घर में बैठ के एक लैपटॉप से आप करोड़ों रुपए की कंपनी खोल सकते हैं. एग्रो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. हमारा देश क्यों सुरक्षित है पता है? Because we are a agro leading industry. Agro leading industry है? नहीं है. आज हमारे किसानों को उनके प्याज का मूल्य नहीं मिल पा रहा. पिछले साल उनको गेहूं का मूल्य नहीं मिल पा रहा था, उससे पिछले साल उनको चावल का मूल्य नहीं मिल पा रहा था. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी जो चेन है ना, पंजाब में धान पड़ा है, जल रहा है, गल रहा है, लेकिन उड़ीसा में लोग भूखे मर रहे हैं. क्योंकि हमारे पास एग्रो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप नहीं आ पाई है कि हम एक ऐसी लॉजिस्टिक सपोर्ट क्रिएट कर सकें कि धान यहाँ से उठाया जाए तो डिलीवर वहां पे हो जाए जहाँ पे रिक्वायरमेंट है. हमारे पास आरोग्य सेतु ऐप है ये बताने के लिए कि कौन संक्रमित है कौन नहीं है, वो बन सकती है 40 दिन में. लेकिन धान की डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए एक स्टेट से दूसरी स्टेट, एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट से दूसरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट, उसके लिए अभी तक ऐप नहीं बन के पाई. कौन बनाएगा? आपको बनानी पड़ेगी. थिंक ऑफ इट. एजुकेशनल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. आज कल यूजीसी चेयरमैन की एक वर्डिंग आती है, एक स्टेटमेंट आती है कि जितनी 100 रैंक में आने वाले एनआरआई यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं उन सबको हम अलाउ करेंगे ऑनलाइन डिजिटल टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग. ओह ग्रेट. सर आपके मूक्स कौन क्रिएट करवाएगा? वेयर यू विल गेट अ कैमरा मैन, वेयर यू विल गेट द ट्रांसक्रिप्ट राइटर, वेयर यू विल फाइंड द ट्रांसलेटर. एजुकेशनल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज द वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट market in my country, India. Biggest, 900 plus universities, 46,000 plus institutions for higher education. And what is the gross enrollment ratio? 25%. 75% बच्चे अभी कॉलेज के बाहर हैं, उनको कॉलेज से कैसे जोड़ेंगे? ऑनलाइन माध्यम से, जैसे आप मेरे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. कौन करेगा ये काम? आप जैसे छोटे छोटे एप्लीकेशंस बनाएंगे. सारी क्लासेस जूम पे नहीं लग पाएंगी, आप भी कुछ ऐप्स बनाएंगे. अभी से नमस्ते कैसे बन के आ रही है? से नमस्ते भी आप में से किसी ने बनाई है, जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग ऐप बन के आ रही है. सोशल मीडिया एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. लोगों को फेसबुक पेज बनाना आता है, चलाना नहीं आता है. लोगों को प्रोफाइल बनाना आता है ट्विटर का, लेकिन हैंडल नहीं करना आता है ट्विटर. आप कभी एडवाइजर तो बन के देखो किसी के सोशल मीडिया के. बहुत सारे हमारे एमएलए, एमपीज और एमसी सबको शौक है कि मेरी रोज ब्लॉग आए, मेरी रोज पोस्ट आ जाए, क्योंकि उसको मिनिस्टर है ना, उसको तो पॉपुलर है ना, स्क्रीन पे स्क्रीन सेवी बनना है. तो उसके लिए भी तो उसको एक बंदा चाहिए ना साथ में, जो उसका सोशल मीडिया एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप उसके साथ जुड़ेगा. जस्ट थिंक ऑफ इट. एनवायरमेंट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इतना बड़ा काम है इसमें. You talk anything about the renewable energy sector, you talk about the waste management systems, e-waste. अभी पूरे हिंदुस्तान में 4 या 5 साइकिलर्स हैं जहां पर आपकी पुरानी बैटरीज, पुराने मोबाइल रिसाइकिल होते हैं. कितना जिंक निकलता है. लेकिन अभी आपने सोचा कि ये हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक लैब होनी चाहिए, एक जगह होनी चाहिए. क्या गवर्नमेंट इसके लिए फंड नहीं दे रही है? दे रही है ना, लेकिन कोई आगे बढ़ के नहीं आ रहा. किसी को ये नहीं पता कि एनवायरमेंट एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप होती क्या है, डेफिनेशन नहीं पता. हेल्थ केयर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की मैंने पहले ही बहुत बात कर दी है. उसमें आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. नए वेंटिलेटर्स डिजाइन कर लीजिए, नए मास्क डिजाइन कर लीजिए, नए तरह के बेड डिजाइन कर लीजिए. कुछ ऐसे प्रोटोटाइप हॉस्पिटल जो रातों रात, अभी हमने देखा चाइना ने 8 दिन में 10,000 बेड का हॉस्पिटल तैयार किया था, तो उसको देख के बॉम्बे ने भी तैयार किया 1,000 बेड का. तो वो क्या हुआ? कार्टून्स यूज किए, कुछ भी यूज, एनीथिंग यू जस्ट अप्लाई योर माइंड. व्हाई आई एम सेइंग इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर एटीट्यूड एंड एप्टीट्यूड, वेदर टू अडॉप्ट और अडॉप्ट न्यू स्किल्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज. ध्यान से मेरे ये 4A को पढ़ लीजिए, और साथ में ये जो डायग्राम मैंने यहाँ पे शो किया, पिक्चर शो किया, उसको दिमाग में बिठा लीजिए. इट इज यू टू डिसाइड व्हाट टू यूज विद दिस ट्री. यू वांट अ शॉर्ट गोल, cut it, burn it at the fuel in kitchen at evening. That's it. Or you want little more big roll from this tree, you make a furniture. It may last for maybe 10 years or maybe 20 years. Oh, you want to make a tree from tree and to make an environment free. and you want to earn the carbon credits, immunity credits of my citizens, then the last quadrant I think will help you a lot. So it is to you whether to be adopt करना है कि adopt करना है. It is depends upon your attitude and your aptitude. All this is the one of the biggest message in today's session I wanted to convey you. Why I'm conveying? Just read over here. I have given the 10 best entrepreneurs of my country. Those are the biggest icons or tycoons like Dhirubhai Ambani, Ratan Tata, Narayana Murthy, Infosys, Azim. Just go through with their biography and just let me know who made them successful. Are they were rich from their childhood? Are they got a parachuted entrepreneurs? No, they started from scratch. They starting from scrap. Some was good with their strategy, some was good with the IT, some was good with the planning, some was good with the marketing, and they could reach to this level. What I'm showing at the right hand side, I am sure half of you may not be knowing about their names. You know, I'm talking about Ritish Agarwal, Inderjit Singh, and Dipanjali Dalmia. These are my top 10 Indian young entrepreneurs, not even the age of 26. They could become some millionaires and billionaires. Laga jhatka, dekhte hain inke bare mein. Akshay, an Indian who became one of the youngest millionaires in the UK. He started a doorsteps.uk, an online estate agency with 12 employees. The company has managed achieve £12 million valuation. Kya baat? Kavita Shukla, the founder of Fresh Papers, she innovated an idea to keep the numerous products fresh for longer hours. Her clients include big names like Whole Foods and cooperatives. Tilak Mehta, I'm talking about this one of the youngest of the lot. He has made a Ola and Uber for the Dabbewalas as his latest achievement, launching an app for delivery called Paper and Parcel. Kya baat? Krishneet Arora, a school dropout. देखिए इसने तो कोई graduation भी नहीं की, शायद 10वीं भी ना की हो. Huge success and a self-made man. Krishneet Arora is a complete package. क्या करता है ये? Launching the company TAC Security Solutions. किनको देता है? ये दुबई में और इंडिया में रिलायंस जैसी कंपनी को कंप्लीट सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम देता है. जस्ट मैनेज किया ना, स्ट्रेटेजी बनाया, प्लानिंग किया, लोगों को जोड़ा और काम किया. ओके, श्री लक्ष्मी सुरेश, a renowned वेबसाइट डिजाइनर, सिंगल हैंडेड अकेले घर में बैठ के 50 वेबसाइट्स बना के दे दी एक साल में. किनको? बड़े बड़े वेंचर्स को. She earned in crores, you know, just creating a website sitting at home. Anshuman Sinha, called the youngest talent manager at the age of 25, he runs a Represent as a multi-genre talent management company. क्या कर रहा है ये? यंग बिजनेस लीडर में आ गया ये अंडर 40 के. यूथ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप द ईयर अवार्ड ले चुका है ये बच्चा. 25 साल की उम्र में इसने काम किया. आप जैसा ही ग्रेजुएशन की होगी इसने. Ravneer Alabadia, a man, many talents. He runs a YouTube channel as well as his own company, which Monk E is an influencer marketing and video production company. क्या बात है? So what is the worth? You know, 2.3 million subscribers. No minor feat indeed. These are just go their biographies. You will search through the Google. You will find all these people with their biography, and then you will come to know Dipanjali Dalmia क्या कर रही है. 26 साल की एक जॉब को छोड़ दिया उसने. तो लोग कहते हैं मुझे PwC में E&Y में जॉब मिला. She left the job. She backed with a social cause. उसको लगा कि मुझे हमारे यहाँ की औरतों को, हमारी बहनों को मदद करनी है. Women empowerment. उसने क्या किया? एक हेडे केयर प्रोडक्ट्स बना दी, सैनिटर पैड्स, बैम्बू से, बैम्बू फायर से. आज वो बिलियनर है और वो भी लो कॉस्ट में बेचने के बावजूद. इंद्रजीत, द फाउंडर, द CEO ऑफ द iConta, which is the largest cat online coaching. अरे वाह, एजुकेशनल एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की बात कर रहे थे ना. तो you have seen the Super 30 movie. Have you ever heard about the Inderjit Singh, who made 8,000 students to get into the IIMs and other top business schools? Choice results which unparalleled to in this country. कभी नाम सुना इंद्रजीत सिंह का? 8,000 बच्चों को 20 स्कूल्स तक पहुंचा दिया उसने, उनके सपने साकार. तो इससे अच्छा एजुकेशनल एंटरप्रेन्योर कहां से आ सकता है? Ritesh Agarwal, a smart young man who used his valuable insights gained while pursuing his hobby of traveling to business idea. क्या किया इसने? आपको कहीं घूमने जाना है, आप अपना बजट बताएं, मैं आपको होटल्स बताऊंगा, मैं आपको कैब बताऊंगा, मैं आपको रेस्टोरेंट्स बताऊंगा, मैं आपको बताऊंगा वहां कैसे घूमना है. आपको ओयो रूम्स के साथ कनेक्ट कर दिया इसने 2013 में. ओयो रूम्स की खुद की प्रॉपर्टी जीरो, लेकिन उनकी वर्थ मोर देन ओबराइज एंड ताज, जिन्होंने अरबों रुपया के होटल्स खड़े कर रखे हैं, उनसे ज्यादा आज ओयो रूम्स कमाता है. सिर्फ एक ऐप ही बनाई थी ना. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू ऐड. You want to learn more about digital entrepreneurship? I have given my YouTube link. Go to my YouTube and search. You will find a video which I already have given a session to my youngsters for digital entrepreneurship and many more like a social entrepreneurship, education entrepreneurship. I'm going to be give the series of videos and you can be get connected by subscribing and you can watch. This much to say to my young aspiring minds of my country today, don't burn your opportunities for a temporary comfort. अभी आपके घर में एसी चल रहा है, आपको ब्रेकफास्ट मिल रहा है, आपको घर में वीडियो गेम्स खेलने को मिल रही है, you have your TV set, you have your laptop. But if you are not learning the skills, you are not enhancing the skills, you are not upgrading the skills, I think tomorrow your ladder will be without ladders. This is what I just want to convey. Why? Because you are in the comfortable zone. So comfortable zone is a red zone. Red zone क्या है? संक्रमित है, कंटेनमेंट एरिया है. सबको किस पे जाना है? ग्रीन जोन में जाना है. कैसे जाओगे भी ग्रीन जोन पे? एक जर्नी करनी पड़ेगी. आपको सेफ से बाहर आना पड़ेगा. आपको कुछ फियर होगा क्योंकि ऑरेंज जोन में जाएंगे. लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती सर, मुझे कंप्यूटर यूज करना नहीं आता सर, मुझे वेबसाइट बनानी नहीं आती, नहीं सर मुझे इंटरव्यू देनी नहीं आती है सर, मुझे सर रिज्यूमे डिजाइन करना नहीं आता है. ये सारे छोटे छोटे फियर्स हैं. यू विल स्टार्ट लर्निंग. आप लर्निंग जोन में चले जाएंगे. डील विद द चैलेंजेस, प्रॉब्लम्स, एक्वायर न्यू स्किल्स. आपने आज एक सेशन अटेंड किया है, कल कुछ और ऑनलाइन कुछ अटेंड करेंगे. यू विल एक्सटेंड योर कंफर्टेबल जोन. तो आप कहाँ पहुंचेंगे? Finally, you will live your dreams with the growth zone. You will find a purpose to live in this country, live in this world, set new goals, conquer objectives. Find yourself where you are. Are you in the red or in a orange, yellow or a green? It is to you to decide. I can't do anything. I can only suggest, I can advise, I can try to educate little bit my young aspiring minds. लेकिन याद रखना, happiness के लिए पैसा जरूरी नहीं होता है. देखो इस बच्चे को, he is not carrying an Apple 10 or Apple 11 Pro, but the face smiles shows that as they are going to click the selfie. This is called a happiness. Selfie of happiness. मैं इससे बड़ी आज तक मैंने सेल्फी ना कभी देखी है वर्ल्ड में, ना शायद देख पाऊंगा, जो अपनी एक छोटी सी चप्पल को एक assumption से, ये सारा कुछ माइंड गेम है. अगर आपका माइंड सेटिस्फाइड हो गया, आपका माइंड एजुकेट हो गया, आपको छोटे से गोल में भी बहुत सुख मिलेगा, बहुत आनंद मिलेगा. छोटी जॉब भी आपको बहुत बड़ी लगेगी, आपको सुरक्षित रखेगी. क्यों? बेवक्त बेवजह बेहिसाब मुस्कुरा देता हूं, आधे दुश्मनों को तो मैं यूं ही हरा देता हूं. आधे दुश्मनों को तो मैं यूं ही हरा देता हूं. दिस इज द वन मैसेज आई वांट टू कन्वे टू ऑल माय लिसनर्स एंड दोज आर वाचिंग दिस सेशन टुडे. सो प्लीज कैरी वन थिंग, कोई जॉब बड़ी और छोटी नहीं होती है, ये हमारा माइंड करता है उसको बड़ा और छोटा. प्लीज एजुकेट योर माइंड फर्स्ट बिफोर यू आर गोइंग टू एजुकेट अदर्स. सबसे पहले हम खुद को एक अच्छा मनुष्य बनाएं, एक अच्छा इंसान बनाएं. With this, I just thanks to all of you for patient listening, and I am ready for going for all the Coach Essentials. You can make note of my YouTube, my Facebook, my LinkedIn, so you can